Thank you, Paddy. That's too speedy, Patsy.
My first impression is that there can't be really a great deal of skill involved in this traditional sport. After all, what you're asked to do is to take this 28-ounce steel ball and burl it along a road. But mention such heretical sentiments to the gentlemen of Benburb who follow the sport, and you're likely to invite one of them to plant the ball, or bullet as it's known, rather firmly on top of your head. But being gentlemen, they haven't done that tonight. They've suggested instead that I have a go and see what I can do. So here, in all probability, goes nothing. Well, judging by the howls of derision that greeted that effort, there's obviously a lot more to this sport than first meets the eye. So let's go and see a first-class match in action.
No, it's holding out, it's wet.
You look at it in their pocket. Go on, Johnny. Oh!
What's the best way to do this?
Well, I think
If I throw it,
I think if Patsy throws the right hand side, his best side of the throw, you know.
well, you think if it's to the
Patsy,
left,
see,
we'll
Patsy
get it.
usually throws with his natural pull on a bullet, you see. And this side here, the way he does it is probably come into this side here, but if he throws the other side of the road, you see, he should probably stay down this low side here, you know.
There's a bit of a fall off on that side anyway.
I think
It's fall off on this side, you know, it's just entirely up to yourself.
that chance the right hand side, I know.
Alright, we'll try the right hand.
Thank you.
We'll try the right hand side, Jared. Stand out there.
Oh, they're all right. Now hold it yet. Hold it. You get up quick now. Watch. That's it, Johnny.
A ball out here, you know, this corner. I mean, like, I'm going to have a job pulling it back now. You see, with Patsy's speed, like, he's more superior to me, like, in speed, you know.
Open the road! That's the big rub. That's the big rub. Yoo-hoo!
Awesome.
There's a head for it.
Open up.
Come on.
How's the match been going so far?
Well, Patsy is a superior thrower to me. Always was, you know. Probably always will be. And he's very, very good. I think he's one of the top throwers in Armagh, you know. Unless he makes an awful serious mistake, meaning he just throws the ball over the hedge or something like that to let me back in. There's no way that I can win from here.
So defeat staring in the face. You going to lose a bit of money over it?
Oh, not really, no. Only we said, but it's only a pint or something, you know. That's about all, you know.
Get her on the road.
Nobody can hit.
Is it as hot work as it seems?
Yes, it is. Every bit. It's worse than it seems.
But after all you're doing is a little bit of running and quite a lot of walking.
Yeah, but it's hard. It's happy.
Well, you won tonight. Any idea why? Apart from being a better thrower, of course.
Well, better or not, it's hard to say, but lucky. Bit of luck till it.
And did the luck win you any money? Did you have a bet on it?
A wee bet, a wee small bet. Get me a few pints. I was lucky.
You can call it if you like. I call it good throwing. It wasn't luck at all. Professionalism.
Well, look, we're meeting you. Proud.
That one. Next time I'll do for the £100 or something like that. Make it interesting.
That's how we do it.
All right.